In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up autoresponder sequence. An autoresponder sequence is a series of emails that sends automatically after someone subscribes based on the timing you choose. This is a great way to welcome new subscribers, deliver helpful information over time, and stay consistent without needing to send each message manually. Start by going to your main menu and clicking Automations. From there, select Workflow. This takes you to the area where you can build automated processes. Next, click Create Workflow. You will be prompted to choose how you want to begin, and for this setup, you will select from the scratch. Then give your workflow a clear name that helps you recognize its purpose later, such as a welcome sequence or onboarding emails. Using a descriptive name will also make it easier to manage multiple workflows in the future. Now you will choose what triggers the workflow to start. Select Subscription as the trigger. This means the sequence begins automatically when someone signs up or joins your list, depending on how your system defines a subscription event. Once the trigger is set, you will build the email sequence on the canvas. Drag a send message action into the canvas and create your first email. This first email is usually the most important one, so keep it clear and focused. Confirm the subject line and message content before moving on. After that, drag a wait action below the first message. Set the delay to the timing you want, such as 1 day. The wait step controls the spacing between emails, so choose a delay that matches your audience and the type of content you are sending. Then drag another send message action below the wait step to create your second email. Continue building your full sequence by repeating the wait and send message pattern for as many emails as you need. As you go, keep your timing consistent and make sure each message has a clear purpose. When your sequence is complete, click Save and Exit. Finally, click Activate and turn it on. Once it is active, new subscribers will begin receiving the sequence automatically based on your timing. And that covers everything you need to know.